Good morning students. Today we will study our friendly neighbors मतलब हमारे पड़ोसी. ठीक है. Look at the world map. Which 3 country would you like to visit? Why? Also tell your class what you would like to do there. ठीक है. आपको ये देखिए वर्ल्ड मैप है जिसमें आपको कौन सी 3 कंट्री आप घूमना चाहते हैं और क्यों घूमना चाहते हैं आपको डिस्कस करना है. ठीक है. तो आप अपनी बुक में ही साइड में लिखेंगे कि कौन सी 3 कंट्री आप विज़िट करना चाहते हैं और क्यों करना चाहते हैं. ठीक है. पड़ोसी मतलब ऐसे ही नहीं कि जो हमारे घर के बाजू में रहते हैं वही पड़ोसी होते हैं. जो हमारी नेबरिंग कंट्रीज़ भी होती है मतलब हमारे देश की हमारी कंट्री की पड़ोसी कंट्री नेबरिंग स्टेट भी होते हैं. ठीक है. नाउ लिसन टू अ कॉन्वर्सेशन बिटवीन मिसेस चपमन अनिल एंड जगत एंड चूज द राइट ऑप्शंस. आपको एक क्लिपिंग में सुना रही हूँ, उसको आपको सुनना है कि 3 लोगों के बीच में कॉन्वर्सेशन है और आपको राइट ऑप्शन चूज करना है.
Listen to a conversation between Mrs. Chapman, Anil and Jagat and choose the correct options.
Hello, Auntie. Good to see you back in town.
Hello, Anil. Hello, Jagat. Good to see you too.
How was your trip to Nepal, Auntie?
It was wonderful, Jagat. I have wanted to visit Nepal for a long time. Finally, this year my wish came true.
I have heard that Nepal has lot of places of tourist interest.
Yes, Nepal has always been a big attraction for both tourists and pilgrims.
What is the most popular tourist attraction in Nepal, Auntie?
That's a difficult question. Some people consider Mount Everest to be the biggest attraction, while there are others who think that Lord Pashupatinath is the greatest attraction.
Did you climb Mount Everest?
Oh no, that would require a lot of training and time. But I did manage to get an aerial.
Was that possible?
A lot of companies have started helicopter tours in Nepal. Tourists can now see Mount Everest without actually climbing it. I took one such helicopter tour.
Did you enjoy the view?
Definitely. It was an unforgettable experience. I will show you the pictures I clicked tomorrow. I have an appointment with the dentist in a couple of hours.
Not a problem. Bye, Auntie.
See you tomorrow, Auntie. See you, boys.
See now, Mr. Chapman wanted to go to for a long time. कहाँ जाना चाहता था वो long time से? कहाँ जाना चाहता था? नेपाल. People go to mainly Nepal for tourism and pilgrimages. Mr. Chapman managed to get an aerial and view of Mount Everest. Mrs. Chapman feels that Mount Everest and Lord Pashupatinath are the biggest tourist attraction in Nepal. Mrs. Chapman has an appointment with the dentist. ठीक है. Now look at the map of India which also shows our neighboring country. Write the name of all country that you can सी. ठीक है. देखो क्या बोल रहा है, आपको मैप में देखना है जो कि हमारी नेबरिंग कंट्री बताते हैं. राइट द नेम ऑफ ऑल द कंट्री डेट यू कैन सी. आपको नाम लिखना है कंट्री का जो आप देखे हैं.
Information about our neighboring countries and fill in the fact file below.
Pakistan is India's neighbor to the west. The capital city of Pakistan is Islamabad. The main language spoken in Pakistan is Urdu. Customs are of extreme importance in this country. Men shake hands with each other while women hug and kiss. The national costume of Pakistan is the salwar kameez. Sri Lanka is an island situated to the south of India. The capital of Sri Lanka is Colombo. Most of the Sri Lankan people speak Sinhala. Tamil is also spoken here. In Sri Lanka, when people meet each other, they join their hands in a namaste or shake hands. Women wear the traditional sari called osaria and men wear the sarong with a shirt or t-shirt. One of India's neighbors in the northeast is Bhutan. It is situated in the eastern Himalayas. The capital city of Bhutan is Thimphu. Bhutan's national language is Dzongkha. English is also widely spoken here. The Bhutanese people bow to greet others respectfully or shake hands. The national costume of Bhutan is a gho for men and kera for women.
ठीक है, आपको ये 3 कंट्री के बारे में बताया है कि यहाँ की लैंग्वेज क्या है, कॉस्ट्यूम क्या है और वे ऑफ ग्रीटिंग क्या है. तो आपको सुन के कंप्लीट करना है. ठीक है. नाउ कम टू सेकेंड एक्सरसाइज. लिसन टू अ कॉन्वर्सेशन बिटवीन कोमल एंड हर फादर एंड फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स. ठीक है. यहाँ पे कॉन्वर्सेशन है कोमल और उसके पापा के बीच में. तो आपको उसे सुनना है और कंप्लीट करना है.
Listen to a conversation between Komal and her father and fill in the blanks.
Daddy, you promised me in the morning to tell me more about your trip to Germany.
Yes, Komal. I remember. What would you like to know about?
You have already told me about the Berlin Wall, the Brandenburg Gate, the Holocaust Memorial, and the Oberbaum Bridge over the river Spree.
Didn't I tell you about Germany's clean energy project?
No, not yet.
While many countries are relying on nuclear power and fossil fuels such as coal and petroleum, Germany is making innovations in the field of clean energy.
What is clean energy, Daddy?
It is the energy which does not harm the environment. It includes solar energy from the sun, wind energy from windmills, and tidal energy from the sea.
That is good. So, does that mean the Germans don't use petrol and coal at all?
Yes, they do. But they will eventually reduce the usage of fossil fuels. By 2012, 1/3 of Germany was running on solar power. By 2022, Germany will be the first country that fully runs on green energy.
This is great news for the environment.
Yes, the Indian government is also working to promote the use of green energy.
When are we getting solar panels, Daddy?
Soon, my dear.
ठीक है. तो अब आप इसको कंप्लीट करेंगे.